My mom gets up multiple times just to switch off lights at kitchen. I thought this should not be this hard. That's when I decided I'm not going to buy an expensive smart home system. I'm going to build one. Not for luxury, but for comfort. Not for technology, but for someone I care about. Hey Electrominds, welcome to day 1 of Don't Buy It, Build It. This is the ESP32, a powerful microcontroller with built-in Wi-Fi. This is a relay module. It acts like a digital switch, allowing us to control high voltage devices safely. And this is the magic. The Blink app on your phone together create a simple home automation system. The idea is simple. Your phone sends a signal, ESP32 receives it through Wi-Fi, relay turns on or off, your appliance responds instantly. Inside the ESP32, we write a small program. That program connects to your Wi-Fi and communicates with the Blink app. When you press a button on your phone, it sends a command like turn on light. The ESP32 receives it and activates the relay. And just like that, your light turns on. No walking, no effort, just one tap. I used this mini SMBS to power up the whole circuit as it is rated at 5 volt, which is safe for relay module 2. This is the schematic diagram. Now I started assembling the circuit as per the schematic. Next thing is to set up the mobile application Blink with the easy steps to create a button and making it ready for our project. This is the final demo of the code with the circuit. Now my mom does not have to get up again and again. She sits comfortably, opens her phone and controls everything from where she is. Sometimes she calls me, can you turn off the light? And now I smile and I can say, you don't need me anymore, you have your own smart home. And that's it. And that's when I realized something. This is not just a DIY project, this can be a real product. A small affordable smart home box that anyone can install in their home. I started assembling this whole DIY thing into a ready-made PVC box so that this can be fitted near the light I need to automate in my home. No expensive box, no complicated setup. Just plug, connect, control. Perfect for parents, elderly people, busy homes, a simple solution for everyday problem. Here is the final product installed in my home kitchen. We often build projects just to learn. But what if we start building to solve real problems? What if your next project actually makes someone's life easier? Because at the end of the day, technology is not about circuits or code, it's about people.